This approach can assist you in maximizing outcomes during one of the most hectic shopping periods of the year. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video of Flazio.com. I am Vittoria and today I will give you a new tip to prepare for Black Friday, the most anticipated time of the year for both online sellers and buyers. So, tip number 3, create discount sessions or launch coupon codes. Discount sessions and coupon codes are two highly effective strategies for attracting and retaining customers during Black Friday. Let's see what they are and how you can use them to the fullest. Discount sessions are specific periods in which you reduce the prices of products or services in your e-commerce. During these sessions, customers can benefit from significant discounts compared to regular prices, and they can last for hours or days, depending on your strategy. Coupon codes are combos of letters and numbers, like Black 23, that customers can enter at checkout to get a discount on their purchase. These codes can be public, accessible to everyone and reusable multiple times or reserved for specific clients. Coupon codes can offer discounts in percentages, fixed values, or other benefits such as free shipping. Why create discount sessions or coupon codes during Black Friday? Black Friday is known for its offers and discounts, so creating discount sessions and offering coupon codes can bring numerous advantages. First of all, attracting customers. Special offers attract customers' attention and encourage them to visit your e-commerce during Black Friday. Secondly, increase in sales. Customers are more likely to make purchases when they see the opportunity to save. Coupon code clash sessions have the potential to increase sales numbers. Thirdly, customer loyalty is crucial. By creating special offers, you can increase customer loyalty. If customers experience a good deal and customer service is excellent, they may come back for future purchases. Fourth, emergency generation. Discount sessions and coupon codes with clear expiration dates create urgency, pushing customers to complete purchases before offers expire. Remember that once the discount session and coupon code are created, communication will play a fundamental role. It is very important to effectively communicate offers to your customers. My advice is to use an email marketing campaign to notify your customers of discount sessions or to share coupon codes. You can also promote these offers on social media via SMS or on your website. And then I recommend you monitor the performance of discount sessions and coupon codes. Measure their impact on sales and customer behavior and use this data to optimize your future strategies. In summary, creating discount sessions and coupons on Black Friday is an effective way to attract, retain, and satisfy your customers. This strategy can help you maximize results during one of the busiest shopping periods of the year. If you've made your site with Flazio, you can create discounts, coupons, decide which products to associate them with, and set their validity. Regarding the coupon, for example, you can decide who can use it and how many times. See you soon with the next advice to prepare for Black Friday.